Hi you guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less. I am so ecstatic about today's video because all of my decor for the patio has finally come in. I think it's absolutely amazing that Home Depot is a one-stop shop where you can get everything from your patio furniture to flowers to accent pieces in order to decorate your home. You can get it at homedepot.com. And while I'm talking about Home Depot, I just want to thank you guys so much for sponsoring today's video, and I am so ecstatic about all of these items and I cannot wait to share them with you, so stay tuned. Okay you guys, so first up is the curtains. I wanted some indoor outdoor curtains. If you guys remember, the ones I had below were like a green color, so this time I wanted to go with something that was very neutral so that if I decided to switch out pillows and everything, it would match and I would not be limited to one color. So I absolutely love these natural curtains. They are by Carmen, the Erling Home Fashions line. You can get these at homedepot.com. Again, I will leave the link down below for everything that I'm showing you guys in today's video. One thing I did like about them is that they included a tie back and that they were 114 by 108 inches, which is amazing when you're dealing with patio, dealing with a patio, because a lot of times it's a lot taller than your traditional, ceilings and things like that. So I did want it to be the correct length. So yeah, I absolutely love these. Cannot wait to put them in place. The next thing that I got was this cotton bamboo blanket in a misty blue. OMG, I cannot wait. Let me open this up so you guys can see it. I love the fact that it is 100% cotton. It is from the Home Depot company store. And look at that. I love the little trellis design in it. And the reason I love this is because it actually matches the rug that I got, you guys. I cannot wait to show you guys this. And speaking of the rug, I'm gonna have to insert a picture of the rug here because I don't want to unroll the rug and like reveal the whole patio to you guys too soon. So the rug is amazing. Okay, so the next thing that I picked up was a entertainment piece. I got it in clear because I want to be able to use it, for a lot of different functions. And I love this because what it does, it keeps everything cold. Like, so if you have like condiments or like fruit, you can put the ice on the bottom and then kind of opens like that. How cool is that? So you can put like all of your ice down in here, and it comes with all the different trays. So let's say if I did like a taco bar, I can put my cheeses and my lettuce and my tomatoes in here. If I did a salad bar, I can put all of my toppings in here. If I did fruit, it would keep my fruit cold. If I did a barbecue, I could put like my mayo, mustard, barbecue sauce. I absolutely love this, and with me being a food science major, I have to keep everything safe, right? I have to keep the food safe. So I absolutely love that condiment station. And of course, like I said, you can use it for like a salad bar or taco bar or potato bar. I mean, the possibilities are limitless. Sorry for all the knocking around. The next thing that I got was these amazing bamboo, they're melamine bamboo plates, and I love the fact that they come in 4 different designs. They are they're called garden palms. So they have 3 different designs. I'm going to share those designs with you now. I just thought these would be great and so summer inspired. So this is the first design, and then the next one. How cute is that? And you'll see why this is so important. I have a surprise DIY that I'm going to be doing for you guys using items from the Home Depot, and these are going to mesh perfectly with that DIY project. Now of course I couldn't do the melamine plates without doing some dinnerware, so I also picked up this set of 20 piece set in gold. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is so gorgeous. So it comes with the spoons, the forks, and the knife. So it's actually 5 pieces. So I just want to show you guys how gorgeous and sleek and beautiful this flatware is. OMG. Just wait until I do a tablescape with it. One of the things that I love about this patio set is that the coffee table is perfect to double as a place to eat and a place to play games and all of that jazz. So super duper duper excited about that. The next item that I have, you see here, is this gorgeous Boho Chic pillow. How gorgeous is that going to be here, you guys? So gorgeous, so gorgeous. And I cannot wait to get it all styled to show you guys exactly, you know, how I'm going to style it. This is some dinnerware. When I saw this dinnerware, OMG, I so fell in love with it. Look at that. Do you see that? And look at how well it blends with the pillow and the cushion. Like, isn't that like literally a match made in heaven? How gorgeous is that? Oh my gosh, take a look. Oh, and of course it is it's a powder stone, so it is kind of like a melamine as well, so you don't really have to worry about it getting damaged or anything like that on the patio. The next thing that I have is a serving tray, and let me get it out. I started kind of opening everything, but I wanted to see it for the first time with you guys so my initial reaction could be recorded. And oh my goodness, look at that tray. It's by Craftware. Again, it's for home entertaining. Look at how gorgeous that tray is mixed in. Let me put that over there. So look at how gorgeous that tray is blending with the cushions here and the pillow there. Like, absolutely gorgeous, right? And then when you go back and you put it with this powder stone, ooh, I cannot wait to design with this, you guys. Oh my goodness, I really wanted this to be a very tranquil and beautiful space, so I cannot wait to design with these pieces. So the next thing that I got is this amazing 3-tiered tray. Yes, I got this from Home Depot. Can you believe it? HomeDepot.com. It is so heavy, you guys, and I just thought it would blend so perfectly with the gold flatware that I shared with you guys, and then also with these plates. Like, I just love gold with greenery. I think it looks like absolutely amazing, and I cannot wait to style it. I'm going to give you guys a few tablescapes whenever I do like the final design. I'm going to give you guys a few tablescapes, so be sure to check that out. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's online shopping haul. I am so in love with all of the pieces that I selected at HomeDepot.com. If you're interested in anything that you saw me haul today, I will leave the link down in the description box below. Do not forget to visit my Instagram page, because one of you lucky subscribers are going to win a $300 gift card from Home Depot. And if you guys are interested in entering, I will leave all of that information down in the description box below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!